How to trade on MetaTrader 5 demo account. Now, in order to trade on demo account on MetaTrader 5, you just simply need to open either your MetaTrader application or the website. Now, after opening, you can see something like this or something like this in the first page. Then you need to tap into this chart option, and from here you can either sell or buy the currency that you have selected. Just simply tap into sell or buy in order to trade, or you can tap into this button and go in here and select the volume of whatever currency that you would like to buy or sell. And you can also stop loss and take profit from here. Just simply select the amount which you would like, and then you can choose to sell or buy from the market like this. Just simply tap to the button and tap to OK. This way you can very easily learn trading by using the demo account in MetaTrader 5. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.